edu so no ya Adom Trotro na na adepa wonima na ye nuanom nkramofo akomkire ya wonde hyehyɛ so no nyame adom ne onde aba na wie yenti ahoboa ne tesai de ma ne akada won wanimu adepa wote ye nka nima etesai sesiye.
Salam alaikum. Ene Adom Trotro aba be pie mu ewo eye nima. Munim se omoye akwamchi 30 days. Akwamchi na chi no. Esi anyakopon ya adom a ochina na omudi omusalei. Na enen menya ne ntia se ase enne no en munye fasting na mo mbekwa asore. Wo hwe machi ya nkokon so ha. Enti ebisa eja mehihye ben wa yegu ode ama ochina eye niamo ba bedi salei.
Ye de enye nhihye bia ye bompa ese ye wie fasting no in peace no ono na ye bompa ye pese yankopon ye de nje paibo mpaibo ye ni na in fasting no ono na ehie se yankopon ye de nje nhira no ye pensira afri yankopon se enya akokon no so dia obia ni na hodi dia hodi betimi no ono na de be de be di beti sala obi timi to enjoy aponchi akoko from hodi no na betimi so ade a ehie ni say mpaibo aye no yankopon ye de nje mpaibo ntum dia ehie no anu no ba aduane ni de obiani na hodi wutimi to na ntwe wutimi to ndwan wutimi to aponchi wutimi to akoko obiani na hodi
na ye say salawe amude na ene ketwa ntimi hu nkokọ bebre ba mi hu aponchi ye no so e
o sala kitwa de yantanku aponchi sala kokọ bebre no de amu yusu nkokọ no de awa hodi obetimi to ai ndwan mi ana aponchi ba na ntwe de na ku na ntwe awa salawe dia
mame onso hye ben wa yegu ofo ochina
Shira de yepe ye da wasiami ye starti bismillah we alhamdulillah dia ye be na achina
to ye bismillah
ye ne bismillah ye we na alhamdulillah
bismillah
ye starti bismillah ye we na alhamdulillah say fast no start ye no ye start no bismillah ye we no ne yankopo asi say dia ma we asimbie alhamdulillah dia ahia ne se nyankopon je paibo mpabo aye ne chiruwe ne aye ne from A to Z no dia ahia ne se nyankopon ye den engine tum emfa ye bon ncheye mba ye wo mo ne na wan hire wo mo so hu yo mo bo nyankopon mfa ye bon ye den ncheye
eja nso na ato nkokoi ocha na mudi nkrofo to nkokọ ne de
it's a wonderful day of Eid-Ul-Fitr and we are selling the fowls here. You know, sometimes when it is Eid-Ul-Fitr, people will sell fowls here because some people doesn't have. So some of the people, God bless, they used to come here, they buy and go and give it because when it comes to Eid-Ul-Fitr, some of them doesn't have anything. So, and that is why we are also here. When they come,
so is it that this one is in the form of sadaka?
This one is a form of sadaka because this one is a different from the Baba's Salah. So people used to come and buy, go give people because of sadaka, and we are here doing it every year because if you don't do it, where can we go and buy and get a fowl? Then someone to come and buy it and go and do sadaka. So we are here for them and we pray. People are buying here, Allah should bless them, whatever they need, God should bless them, and people who doesn't have and they gave them, God should also bless them more.
Okay. So that means this time if someone greets you, what will you use? Is this Baraka Alisala or which one?
If someone greets you Baraka Salah, you can say Baraka Kade because it shows you are happy. We come to the end of the year again, and Allah should continue bless us to next year again.
Okay. Eti dia ye nwanum kramofo nyane kan so omo de nyame ase se ometuma fasting no 30 days ewie na nyankopon eguso a ehirehire omo de bebi omo dre omo se afi we de ne de eye nkokọ wo sika na wo to aponche enti de omo kan etintin e brofo ne tietie nyina eno no enti no se Trotro no enti Baraka Sala no no mu sha na so ade so Baraka enti na wo sha ma no afra mi age ya bintu enti etam ni mafo na edi omosala na fiti na akosi ejoda enti Trotro na ye ma mate na bet na ase enti ene you know ya to nkokọ na wie no o sha salad ya eye den awe